and relax in Kampala.
No way. Because if you look at many countries, people go to the parks on Saturday, and the parks, and these parks should be actually be in the city where people go relax and enjoy the nature. Even
my
beaches
Kampala,
and all.
my time in Kampala was in Kamocha.
Yeah.
I'll be careful not to mention the year, but it was around 1995.
Yes.
I'm not sure. Talk about the age. Some
Yes.
of the people. Now we had Children's Park Kamocha.
Yeah.
Do you know what happened to Children's Park Kamocha?
Very few people do not remember it even.
That is where Cafe Javas is.
Yes. Yes, at that place where Cafe Javas is, where there is a petrol station.
There is a petrol station, yes. And there is a food court now. Yes. And then there's like a green area behind that was left there. Yeah. But even accessing it is quite a challenge. Yeah. You have to go through down the petrol station. But how many people still remember that was actually a children's park? Yeah. People don't know the grounds of Sheraton belong to KCCA.
Yes, up to that, but Sheraton took over.
Now, so accessing it, now when we were in high school, we would go to KCCA. There's a library there. I don't know if people know that actually KCCA has a library.
Yes.
So you'd go to the library, read, and actually access the grounds.
Yes.
So where are the green spaces? If you disconnect with nature, your mental health is bound to go down. So some of us, we do not, even Kampala is also very different. Now, let me also talk about Nalia.
Yeah.
Nalia, the estate, and Nalia main. There were green spaces in Nalia. Yeah. I have now seen the green spaces in Nalia have been taken up by high-rise structures.
Yeah.
So I will not be surprised that the people of Nalia area are now having mental
health issues because of the high-rise buildings that have come into the community.
Because the green spaces have been taken away. Yeah. In the 90s and early 2000s, Nalia was misty. Yeah. Just down here in the valley, it would be all misty, and it would be, the mornings were excellent, the air was good. So we have led ourselves to where we are now. Yeah. Now, I would be, I don't know if I'm qualified to talk about the professor and the pastor. Yeah. about how they are dealing with family, and how men, as we get into our 60s.
Yes.
As we get into, there is a Kinyankole proverb which says, "Buto nekolera bukuru."
Yeah.
There are issues, especially of mental health, that come as we age.
Yeah.
That's why people say, "Obukadde ntondo."
Yes.
You know, oli myaka gyentondo.
Yeah.
Meaning you're of advanced age, yes. Or you're in your 40s, you're in your 50s, 60s, and things like that.